Okay then, so anybody trying to disassemble the mirror on an FGR 1300, they take the nuts out, they'll encounter these. There should be 8. There's a high chance they're going to fall off and you'll have to go on an expedition on them for them like I did. And you'll notice they're not normal washers, they're like conical, they're like a bit of pointy inwards, point outwards, like a coney. Spring cup or Belleville washers, I think they're called. Can't remember exactly. But see, when you're reassembling it, there's a certain way they should go for it to work properly. It's explained in forums, but there's no actual video that I can find of this, so I thought I'd put one up. And the final reassembly should look something like that. And you can do it from either way, top or bottom, so we'll do it from top or bottom because it's pretty much symmetrical either way. And so start from the top. Your first washer, the cone's pointing upwards. Okay, so your first washer is going to be pointing upwards. Second one, pointing upwards. The third one is going to be pointing down. The fourth one is pointing upwards. The fifth one is pointing down. Sixth one pointing upwards. The seventh one is pointing down. And the eighth one is pointing down. Assemble like that. It should look, again, something like that. Okay, and that will give you a good amount of spring. And when you reassemble it, so you grease everything up before you do reassemble it, but that should put it on and give it a nice sturdy feel. Hope this helps anyone.